we have an philanthropist in front of us. I will not know him. Let us know is you're highly welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. I am Honorable Ernest Ikechukwu, the National Secretary of Enugwu State Union, Ghana. So today is the D-Day, being 11th December 2022. We are celebrating our end of the year party. Then also giving an chieftaincy title to one of our able son in the person of Chief Isaac O. Njoko as Chief Nnanyerugo, one of Enugu State.
Wow.
Also confirming the chieftaincy title of our dear son, His Royal Highness Dr. Sir Abuchi Oha as Ezudo Kaswa. So we are confirming his chief today, and we are rejoicing with our family.
Wow.
Today is a great day in our midst.